Hey guys, welcome to my simple remedies. Today I am here with an extremely miraculous remedy. It's a complete all-in-one keratin infused hair growth treatment, which will not only help your hair grow long, but it will also add extra volume to it. Your hair will become extremely thick and strong. This remedy will revitalize your hair follicles and give your hair extra shine and strength without damaging it. It will remove the frizz and unwanted curls and make your hair really straight. I have personally used this remedy many times and also recommended it to friends. This is really one of the best remedies for hair growth, extra hair volume, shine, and strength. So, without wasting time, let's prepare this amazing treatment. Meanwhile, please like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing beauty tips and tricks. The best thing about this remedy is that the ingredients used in it are really very simple and are easily available at home. You will need vitamin E capsules, egg shells, and coconut oil. The main ingredient for this remedy is egg shells. First, put the eggshells of 2 eggs into a blender. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. And finally, add 2 vitamin E capsules. The main ingredient of this remedy is eggshells, in addition of calcium and protein. Eggshells also contain small amounts of other minerals, which are really effective for your hair growth. Eggshells make a protective layer on your hair, which will not only protect hair breakage, but will also strengthen your hair follicles. Blending the ingredients will make a paste, as you can see. So let's come to the application. You have to apply this paste from roots to ends, as you can see. Use generous amounts of paste. Apart from eggshells, this remedy has coconut oil, which adds luster, shine, and softness to the hair. Coconut oil prevents hair from breakage and split ends, contributing to hair length. Vitamin E's antioxidant properties repair damaged hair follicles, prevent tissue corrosion, and help build tissue. It keeps your follicles healthy and promotes healthy hair growth. Vitamin E promotes blood circulation and acts as a deep moisturizer for your hair, preventing breakage and brittle hair. Leave it on for 30 minutes. Then wash it off with a mild shampoo. You must try it if you want to have that long, beautiful, and shining straight hair. Use this remedy 2 times each month for the next 3 to 4 months, and you will see the difference for yourself. So this was just a simple remedy with 3 simple ingredients that can do wonders for your hair. That's it for today. I hope you liked this video. Please share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel, My Simple Remedies, for more amazing tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching.